Hey guys, this is JT Bricks, and today, even though I got no comments, I'm gonna be unboxing the Funko Pop Charlie Brown for you guys to see. So let's get him opened up, and once I get this box open, we'll get him for close-up. Alright, so here is Charlie Brown himself. So I think they did a really nice job on the paint, and it's a really nice Funko Pop. It's like Pac-Man. The head can't. There are pops like Pac-Man that can't turn their heads, but this one can. But see, like they did a really nice job on his shirt, and they did a good job on his shoes, and they got his hair detailed right, and ears. Well, and they didn't have any painting on the bottom. Well, so what do you guys think? Unfortunately, most of these Funko Pops don't have a mouth. That's a bit of a bummer, but okay. And so, did I miss something on the Funko Pop? If so, leave a comment and say if I left out any details. I would like to know, cause I can improve my unboxing reviews. Next review will probably be my Pac-Man Funko Pop, and then I'll go from there. Well, well, that's it for this episode. Leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.